Hello, my name is Brandon. I live in Windsor, Ontario, Canada, and this is my final project for CS50. This is called Schedule It. The login screen is pretty similar to what we have seen before, so I'll just skip over this. And this is the welcome page. So the idea of Schedule It is that the user will provide a set of locations with given time constraints, and the system will take all this information and determine the best path for the user to go through all the locations, or at least as much as possible. And also it will look into Google Maps to determine travel distances and if the places are open at all. So when you click on new schedule, it will show you this template in which you can add all the information you want. I'll just click on cancel, delete this one, and go on view for this one which is not completed, just to show you something I already prepared. So here are all the markers already added for the places I added for my location entries, and I can modify this. So if I remove the airport, it will remove the marker from there. And if I click save, now I only have 5 spots for this schedule. Now I have this one for France. If I click on view, it will show me the respective markers. And if I click on schedule, it will send all the information to Google Maps to get the open hours, and it will bring me back to the suggested schedule, and it will show travel times and time at each location. So in this case, we can see a color code for each travel, and it's indicating if it's walking or driving. It goes to driving automatically if it's more than 1 hour walking. If not, it's by default walking. Also, there's some free times in some cases. This is because you may get there before you wanted to by the time constraint you added to the location, or maybe the place is not open at all yet. So in this case, probably the museum opens until 9, so it's just saying that you have 30 minutes left before that happens. And then we have discarded places. In this case, it's discarding the catacombs because it's closed on Monday. And if we go to Google Maps, we can verify that indeed it's closed on Monday. So this is the schedule that has been created to the user. If I click save, it will take me back to the home page, and now it says it's completed. And if I click on view again, it will take me directly to that schedule I already created. And once I have it here, I can just still go to edit locations and do all the changes I want to do and continue with my schedule. So if I go here and say, you know what, I want to start at 5 p.m. and I click on schedule it, it will change my schedule now, and probably I won't be able to go to something now because now it's starting very late. So yeah, now also the museum is discarded because there's not enough time. And we can just save this and we go back to the home page. The user can add as many entries as they want for both locations and to create new schedules. Everything is stored in a database using SQL, and the server it's made using Flask for all the communication. This was my final project for CS50, and I hope you like it. Thank you.